Want to speak real Vietnamese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at Vietnamesepod101.com.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Vietnamesepod101.com, the fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Vietnamese. This video today is about cooking. I love it. I love cooking. I'm not a vegetarian. I eat vegetarian food sometimes, and I prefer to cook vegetarians at home because it just suits my taste. So I'm gonna introduce to you one of my videos that I made, and also at the same times we will practice some verbs, some cooking verbs, so you can expand your vocabulary. Okay, let's get started. For lunch, I have some time, so I make two dishes. So in these situations, in Vietnamese, we say nấu ăn, nấu ăn, nấu ăn. Nấu ăn means to cook, or nấu món ăn means to make the dishes or to make a dish. Nấu món ăn, okay? Crunchy fried tofu. So in Vietnamese, we say đậu rán giòn, đậu rán giòn, đậu rán giòn. So you can see here that the noun actually we put before the adjective, unlike in English, so it's gonna be opposite, okay? Fried tofu, we say đậu rán, we don't say rán đậu, okay? Fried tofu, đậu rán giòn. So as you can see here, we will say that I fried tofu. That means tôi rán đậu, okay? In this situation, fry here is the verb. Tôi rán đậu, subject, verb, object. Tôi rán đậu, I fried tofu. So here I'm making some sauce. So in English, we say make sauce, right? But in Vietnamese, we say pha nước chấm. Pha nước chấm. Pha means to make or to mix. Nước chấm is the sauce. Pha nước chấm. You see here that we have a lot of spring onion and chili. So in Vietnamese, we say hành lá. Hành lá. Hành lá for spring onion, and ớt for chili. Ớt, dấu sắc, ớt, hành lá và ớt. So you can say cắt nhỏ hành lá và ớt. Cắt nhỏ hành lá và ớt. Cắt nhỏ hành lá và ớt means to chop spring onion and chili to small pieces. Cắt nhỏ. Cắt nhỏ. Cắt means to cut or to chop. Cho nước mắm means to add or to put some fish sauce. Okay? Cho nước mắm. And then cho đường. Cho đường means to add some sugar. Okay? Cho đường. Cho hạt tiêu. Cho hạt tiêu. Cho hạt tiêu means to add some pepper. Quấy đều. Quấy đều means to stir or to give it a good stir. Quấy đều. Quấy đều. Lật đậu. Lật đậu. Lật đậu. Lật means to flip. Lật đậu. Nhúng đậu vào nước mắm, to dip. Nhúng. Nhúng đậu. Đậu is a tofu. Nhúng đậu vào nước mắm. Cho ra đĩa. Cho ra đĩa. Cho ra đĩa. Dưới. Dưới. Dưới nước mắm lên đậu. Dưới nước mắm lên đậu. Dưới nước mắm lên đậu. Phi thơm tỏi. Phi thơm tỏi. Phi thơm tỏi. Cho rau vào xào. Cho rau vào xào. Nêm nếm vừa ăn. Nêm nếm vừa ăn. Nêm nếm vừa ăn. Đảo rau đều. Đảo rau đều. Đảo rau đều. Cho rau ra đĩa. Cho rau ra đĩa. Trộn salad. Trộn salad. Trộn salad. Now I'm gonna introduce to you some other verbs, okay? For example, if you want to say grill, we say nướng. 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 Nướng means to grill. And Thịt nướng means grilled meat. Thịt nướng, thịt nướng, thịt nướng. Okay, so the adjective is after the noun, like đậu rán, thịt nướng, thịt rán, rau xào. Đun, đun, đun means to boil. Luộc, 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 luộc means also to boil, but like to boil food, to cook food in a boiling way. Trần, trần, trần. Okay, trần trứng, trần trứng. Hấp, 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 hấp means to steam. Hấp, if you want to say it like to grill into medium, so we say nướng tái. Nướng tái, nướng tái means it's not completely cooked. Nướng tái. And nướng chín, nướng chín, nướng chín. Nướng chín means well done, well cooked. Okay, nướng chín. Another one we can say hầm, hầm, hầm. Hầm means slow cook. Hầm. Okay. Kho, kho, kho means like to cook meat for a long time as well. So kho thịt, usually we kho thịt or kho cá. Kho, to cook something in a very long time. Bóc, bóc, bóc means to peel or to open a fruit. Bóc. Giã, giã, giã. So we have giã tỏi, or giã gạo, giã gạo. Cán, cán, cán. So we have cán bột, cán bột. Nặn, 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 nặn. Alright, that's it. I think that is pretty much almost everything, almost cooking verbs that we usually use. So thank you very much for watching. I really enjoyed this topic. I hope that I have more videos to show you guys, but I don't have a lot of time. So let me know what videos or what kind of topic you want to know in the next video. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe the channel, and visit the website vietnamesepod101.com to learn more Vietnamese. Thank you again. See you in the next one. Xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.